Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is active, then restart the router and your device to clear transient network issues. Next, open Settings, check Google App permissions for microphone, location, and notifications so the assistant can hear and respond. Once done, verify you're signed into the correct Google account and that assistant language matches how you speak. Mismatched language often blocks recognition, so adjust it now before moving deeper. After the basics, focus on the apps and system services that power Assistant. Update the Google app and Google Play services to the latest version, then clear cache. If persistent, clear app data for Google and Play services to rebuild settings. Now open Assistant settings, retrain voice match, toggle Hey Google off then on, and inspect routines for conflicting triggers. If your device has battery optimization, make sure Google is excluded so background listening isn't stopped. This often restores reliable responses. Finish by re-establishing a clean state. Reset Assistant settings, and only if needed, perform a device factory reset, backup data first. After resetting, relink any smart home or music accounts and test with simple commands like "What's the weather?" before complex routines. If problems continue, try pairing with Bluetooth or turning Do Not Disturb off. Boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps. One key troubleshooting tip. If Assistant works in safe mode, uninstall recently added.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.